How you doing, Levi?
Good.
How was your first night at the beach?
Good.
Did you sleep well?
Yes.
And what are we going to do today?
Go in the sand.
Go in the sand. I can't believe they got their kite in the air. Amazing. Oh, there they are.
Is the kids holding it?
Yeah, they're holding it. Hopefully they won't let it go.
Oh.
You did it, Renee. You did it. You got the kite in the air. I'm so impressed.
I'm just gonna do everything.
Okay.
I'm gonna put on my swimsuit so that because I put all my clothes in the wash.
You have a swimsuit?
Yeah,
You
Dad
bought one?
grabbed them.
Wow.
So mine's in the bag. I'm gonna
It's like an airplane.
Woo!
It's like an airplane.
It is like an airplane.
Come toy guys. Come toy guys.
Ah!
It's
The original drone.
It's a horn.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
Oh my
But
goodness.
it's just a kite.
It's just a kite.
Stay still. Oh God. Gotta stay up here.
Are you so scared?
No. Don't hit me.
Oh, I don't think it'll hit you. I think that'll... Levi, Dad's calling you.
What?
Okay, you have to watch that kite. If I pull the red handle, it turns one way. If I pull the blue handle, it turns the other way.
I want to do it.
Okay, you hold on to the handle for a little bit. We're going to do it together. No, whoa, not too much. It's very, you just do little tiny movements. Make a big circle this way, and then we pull the red handle a little bit. It makes a big circle that way.
Autumn buried me.
I see that. Are you going to bust out?
It's actually kind of cozy in here though. It's actually nice and warm because like my body is just like warm.
Except you can't get your hair out of your face.
Yeah.
Oh, your hair's so long. Yeah. There we go. Show me your cup. Hot chocolate out of a lemon.
Yep.
Delicious.
Captain Peg.
Captain Peg.
Yeah. Captain Peg. I am Captain Peg.
All right, we're running to the store in the haste and all the insanity of the evacuation and stuff.
Yeah.
The toothbrushes were left at home.
Yeah.
So we got to run to the store and get a couple toothbrushes, right?
Yeah. And
Man's got to brush his teeth.
can you give me one?
Of course.
Can I open it?
Probably. Got my beach blown hair here.
Yummy.
Headed just to the little
My
small market.
Blue here.
Your beach blown hair. And I also realized I forgot to buy blue cheese at the store yesterday because I was going to make blue cheese dressing to go with our steak and salad tonight. And so it works out that I'm running to the store again because I will try to find some blue cheese. Although this is a very small little market in town here that's close by. So hopefully they'll have what we need.
Yeah, and also toothbrushes.
And also toothbrushes.
Oh, there's more grapes too.
Oh, more grapes, yeah. All right, what else? Oh yeah, blue cheese. Maybe it'll be right here. I don't know. I'm gonna do this to go with our steak tonight. Oh, they do have some blue cheese. Applewood smoked blue cheese, even better.
Is it blue cheese?
Yeah.
I love blue cheese.
Oh, you do? I want to see you try it. I don't know if you've ever tried it.
I never tried it.
Never tried it, but you know you love it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now we got to find those toothbrushes. Well, I found the toothpaste. But look, toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. No toothbrushes in sight. There's one more little market that we might have to check, but I see not a single toothbrush. Okay, we'll try again. We got to see if there's any toothbrushes. Success. I kind of want to try this. You need water?
Yeah, we need to get water.
We have water. Huh, it'd be easy enough to make. It looks good. All right, so you said you wanted to try lemon?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Try again, take a bite.
One tool for the win.
Do you like it?
No sour.
Manatee. I decided to cook the salmon two ways. I did half of it as a Cajun salmon with the leftover jalapenos, and the other half I made like a honey mustard glaze or marinade. I cooked the honey mustard salmon in the air fryer, and I pan fried the Cajun. For the steaks, I did my reverse sear air fryer method, where I cook them in the air fryer at about 200 degrees for a while, depending on thickness, to get them cooked through, and then I just do a quick sear on the stove after that on both sides. What did you choose to have for dinner?
Steak.
Just steak? That's all you need? That's all a man needs? I see that. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Good.
Where did it go?
Where did it go? There it is. I think it's going to go into your tummy. What do you think of that sunset? What do you think of it? Awesome?
Yeah, there's no. The thing is, this goes fast, but
What?
There's only little waves.
Yeah, little waves.
Yeah.
If you were out there, they'd feel like big waves. I'm telling you. Mm-hmm.
But if you're not out here, they die. You want to go? I want to go out there and go in there.
Oh, it's too cold for me now.
No.
Too cold for me.
No,
And I think we're gonna go in and play Scrabble. You ready for to watch Mommy win Scrabble?
No.
Well, who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know.
Well, it's definitely gonna be me.
No.
I'm telling you right now, it's me.